Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and you're watching iPhoneTopics.com. From the beginning, I always loved to send messages and videos in the iMessaging app. But recently, in my iPhone 12 Pro, when I send videos, the screen appears in blue color to the receiver. There is no problem in the audio, but the video is not playing for the receivers. It's really frustrating. Let's see how to fix this issue today in this video. Solution number 1. Enable the most compatible option. It will help to reduce the video or file size and helps to capture the photos and videos in high efficiency. If you have not enabled the option on your iPhone, then enable it. For that, launch Settings, tap on Camera and click the Formats option, then choose Most Compatible. That's it. Solution number 2. Choose to record video at 720 pixel HD at 30 fps. Because when you choose very less quality, it reduces the file size and you can send videos without a problem. So for that, go to Settings, tap on Camera and click the Record Video option and choose 720 HD at 30 fps. It's done. Solution number 3. Disable HDR video. If you're capturing and sharing more videos or photos, then turn off the HDR video option on your iPhone 12. For that, launch Settings on your iPhone and choose Camera. In that, select Record Video option, then toggle off the HDR video. That's it. These are the 3 simple solutions, so you can try this one and get rid of your problem. Thanks for watching the video and give your support to us always. Adios.